Today I'm making an anti-aging under eye serum. I start with 1 teaspoon of vitamin E and 2 teaspoons of rosehip seed oil. I like using a dropper because I find it to be much easier to put these liquids that are a little thicker than through a funnel. Next, I add all of my essential oils. It's 4 drops of lavender, 3 drops of sandalwood, 2 drops of geranium, 3 drops of clary sage, and 2 drops of rose. Once I'm done with that, I fill the remainder of the 10 milliliter roller bottle with almond oil. Now you simply shake it up to mix. And then you can roll it gently on your skin. And you're finished.